guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy Glam bag versus Ipsy Glam bag for November. Do you want to see what's in both of my bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, we're gonna be checking out my bags today from November. One of them is my normal main profile that should be set to my likings, which they're not really going by profile lately, but you know. And then this one is my anything and everything, because if it's something that I'm not comfortable with, I'm totally okay with putting it aside for a future giveaway for one of you guys. And I do put this bag in a future giveaway, but this month I'm going to be donating all my products that I'm not going to be using to the women's shelter, and then I'll pick back up next month, putting everything back in my pile for you guys. So that's what I do every November for my boxes. Something I've been doing for 2 years now, and I want to continue. So here is November's bags. Let's go ahead and dive into them and see. Let's go with my profile first and see if they did any better with my glam bag. I was just so disappointed in my plus and my ultimate, which I did cancel my ultimate. So I won't have that anymore unless I sign back up. Now, this one does look like a smaller bag. I think the one we got in the plus was a little bit bigger. I already put that in a giveaway because I have a giveaway on that video if you guys haven't checked that one out. So I already have that set ready to go once that one ends for one of you guys. So I don't have it here to confirm, like to compare the two, but I think this is a little bit smaller. So here is the bag. It's a cheetah. It has a little tassel pull zipper. And when you open her up, I'll dump the products out, and it's all brown inside. So here is this month's bag, and I'm not a cheetah girl, so I'm going to put that in the donation pile anyway. I'll probably put just both of them in there. So this month is November 2019. This is Wild Side, and this does go over the items, but in the glam bag, they don't go over pricing. So let's just go ahead and get in here, and we have a little tiny Ultra Repair Oats and Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil from First Aid Beauty. And what do you do with this? De-stress, relief, and nourish. Safe for sensitive skin. This antioxidant-rich facial oil is formulated with a blend of 16 cold-pressed active botanicals, including cannabis sativa seed oil, which is rich in omega and fatty acids, and oatmeal, which relieves dry, reactive skin. Together, they work to help calm and soothe dry, distressed skin. Use daily after cleansing. Apply 2 to 3 drops into your palms and press it into your face. Use alone or add 2 drops of moisture, or add to your moisturizer. So I'll definitely try that out. So again, there's that little guy from Face Beauty, First Aid Beauty, Face Beauty, First Aid Beauty. Next we have is the Coco Cabana Cream. I have never had this green teal one, which that's my favorite color. I always get the Bum Bum Cream. I've never got the Coco Cabana Cream. So I'm actually kind of excited to try this one. Let's see. It has a safety seal. Oh, and it smells like coconut. I don't like eating coconut, but I've actually learned to be okay with the scent of coconut now. It reminds me of nice little tropical breezes. So, not the drinks, just tropical breezes. But this smells really nice, and it says that it'll give you 72 hours of hydration. Wow. It smells and feels really, really good. So, ooh. So I like that. I'm glad to try now a different one because we always get the Bum Bum Cream. So I'm glad I get to try the Coco Cabana Cream. And it smells like a coconut dream. Okay. So now we have is Mary Drew Manizar? Huh? This is from The Balm, a liquid highlighter all over. Okay, I don't do liquid highlighters, so I will go ahead and donate this one. I'll stick it back in the bag. And then we have Love Craft Beauty. This is blush. And there is the color. And I'm not a huge blush wearer, so I'll go ahead and just leave this in the bag as well and just donate that. Let's see here. I actually love my Novembers where I donate the items because it just makes me feel so good. So there's the color, a nice pretty light pinkish peachish color. That is a very pretty color. But I don't do a whole lot with blushes, and I have a lot of blushes, so I would rather this go to somebody who could definitely use it. So there's that. And then the next item here is Hola Neon Tinted Lip Balm. Call me. And this is a tinted lip balm. So there's that. You know, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just set all 3 of these in there because I would love to be able to just to give back, and I'm not a huge lip wearer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set that aside and let's see what we can get from our other ones. So this particular bag, what I got was this, which I'm really excited, and it feels amazing on my skin. I'm so excited to try this cannabis infused seed oil face oil by First Aid Beauty, Face Beauty, AKA. And then there's these 3 items right here that will go in to my donation pile. Now, this is my anything and everything, you guys. Let's see what's in here. Now, so for this one, me telling them I don't do blush, I got a blush. I can't really choose liquid highlighter versus powder highlighter. So I put on there that I do highlighter sometimes. And then my lip products I have in there that I don't really do much of. So you can tell they're not going off of profiles. Same bag. My anything and everything. Let's see which one's better. All right, you guys. So dumping that out. The first thing that we have here, again, it's Wild Side. And this says Dome Beauty Cheek Envy Pressed Powdered Blush. So this is in English Rose. So we have another blush. And there's the packaging and without the glare. And this is like another, it's not as light as the other one, but it's like a peachish, mauvish colored pink. That looks really pretty. Looks like a pretty color. So there is a blush that I will set aside. Then we have Pixie by Petra, and I already have this one that I think I got in Ipsy. This is completely sealed, so I can't take the glare off, but it's minimal bronze. And there's the 2 colors right there. It's like a bronzish, you know what? Mine is more purples, I think. I don't think I have this one. I don't think I have these browns, but I don't really grab these little palettes, the little like single basically ones. So I'll put that in the giveaway as well. And then we have a nail lacquer because I'm so hip on my nails. This is a, ooh, that's very pretty for this color. This time of year though, like a fall, this bright burgundy. That is a very pretty color. So I'll go ahead and donate that to the women's shelter as well. And then this I have, so I'm just gonna donate this whole entire bag, you guys. I'll probably take 1 product out. Wait, how many products do I have? Oh wait, no, I still have a product in here. So hold on. So here's It Cosmetics. This is Confidence in a Cream. And this is Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream Anti-Aging. And again, I've had a few of these already and I've already used it. So I'd rather have somebody else try this out because it's really good. I do like it. So this will go in there. And then the last thing in here is this MAC cleanser, which I get these all the time. Every time I order from MAC, I get these for free. So it's kind of weird that they're putting in free products. These are supposed to be like deluxe sample sizes, and you normally don't get like deluxe sample sizes for free, but this is definitely a free sample guy right here. Just saying. So what I'm going to do is, since this is like a big nail polish, I'll probably stick this with those 4 items, and then I'll transfer this over with these. So I'll have 4 items in each bag to donate for this month. So I do like that. So I'm keeping 2 items from my bags, but I could keep all of this, but I would rather give back to the women's shelter because I know somebody there could definitely use it. So I would rather just spread the love this month as much as I can. and I'm totally happy with that. That's gonna make me happier being able to spread the love this month than to just hoard it for myself and maybe use it or maybe not use it, because I have so much products. But again, so for my anything and everything, we got the It Cosmetics cream. We have the really pretty burgundy nail polish. We have the MAC cleansing, the little smallest cleansing, and I even put it in a glass bottle. Like, you're really gonna spend the money on that glass bottle for this guy. And then we have the Pixie by Petra and the blush and the bag, obviously. So now, if you guys do not know, Ipsy Glam bag is now $12 a month with free shipping. You get 5 sample to deluxe size sample products. Sometimes you get full size if you get like a liquid lip or a nail polish or an eyeliner, that kind of thing. But you get to try out some really cool products, and if you like the product, then you can go and purchase them. If you don't like the product, then you only wasted $12, free shipping. You get a makeup bag to keep and 5 products to try out. So I normally never will complain about my Ipsy bags, even if they get my profile or not, just because it is so cheap. You get the bag, it's free shipping, you get some cool products. So the glam bags, I think I'm always gonna keep the 2 to show you guys. It's just, I was spending $99 a month the last 2 months on just Ipsy alone. That's why I canceled the Ultimate, because they weren't really going by profile anyway, and that's what they're supposed to do. So I'd rather eliminate that $50, at least cut that one in half, and now have that to go towards the BoxyCharm that I just signed up for. So yeah, there's that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Comment down below, let me know which bag did you like better. Did you like my personal bag, or did you like my anything and everything bag? Okay, you guys, so here are all of the different products that they had available to ship for this month's Ipsy Glam bags. Based on your profile, they would have chose 5 of these different items right here to send you. Did you get any of the same products? Are we bag twins with any one of them? Please let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you when? On the next one. Bye.